Well guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can activate or disable the child lock in the washer LG F2. So if you want to turn on or off the child lock, you have to hold the option with the echo mode button together for 3 seconds. As you can see, the child lock is activated and we cannot manage any function from the control panel, it's locked. If you want to unlock it, in the same way hold the options and the echo mode together for 3 seconds, and now you can operate your control panel again. Okay, it's a little hard, you have to just feel it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.